Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a lemon chicken in the Instant Pot or the crock pot, cooker, whatever you want to call it. It is from lifemadeketo.com and I will link it in the description box below. It's called Instant Pot Lemon Garlic. I can't even talk. It's called Instant Pot Lemon Garlic Chicken and it looks delicious. I'm going to be making it with some asparagus and I will show you how I do it. So first things first, here are the ingredients. It calls for juice of a lemon, lemon zest, so I have 2 lemons here. It calls for some freshly peeled garlic, some chicken stock, some oil, this is avocado oil, heavy whipping cream, butter, and then seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, minced onion, Italian seasoning. It's not calling for this, but it has basil, oregano, and garlic and sea salt, so I'm going to be using that, and some black pepper, along with my boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and then I have some asparagus that I'm going to be making as well. So first, I'm going to be putting my Instant Pot on the saute function. So brown and saute, and this is going to start heating up. Then it wants me to season my chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder. So I have a baking dish here and I am going to be putting the chicken in here and seasoning it in this. Alright, so now I'm just going to season my chicken. And it said season that with the salt, pepper, garlic powder, garlic powder, garlic powder. Just use the rest of this, it's almost up. Okay, I got those seasoned. Next it says, I already did the saute function, add olive oil to the pot. Doesn't say how much. 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add, why can I never open this? Some of my minced garlic in here. Got my little tongs and I'm just going to put the chicken in now and start browning it. So I'm going to put the chicken in the Instant Pot and cook on each side for like 2 to 3 minutes or until it's golden brown. And then when you're doing this, it helps seal in the juices and keeps it nice and tender. And so I'm going to do this because I have more chicken. I'm just going to do this one first. I'll take those out and then I'll put those back in and then I'll switch them out. Alright guys, so I have my chicken all sauteed and it is sitting here, and now we're moving on to the next step of the process. So I am going to take my Kerrygold butter and I'm going to melt, how much, what is it, 2 tablespoons? 3 tablespoons of butter into the Instant Pot and stir in the onions and garlic. You know you got that fancy butter when you gotta peel off that. Fancy butter, huh, buddy? Yes, it's so fancy. Woo! Nobody likes a Charlie in the box. Ooh, that butter though. Since I have my minced garlic, I'm not even going to use the cloves. So I'm going to put in a little bit more of that in with the butter. I'm going to add the juice of a lemon. If I can find my lemon squeezer. Do you know where that is, Tiffany?
No.
Here it is, I found it. Of my lemon. My juice of a lemon. Squeezer, Dollar Tree. Just put this in. I cut it in half. Oh, you stop. You will continue to saute. Squeeze this in. And to get our lemon zest, I'm actually just going to save that. So I'm not not being wasteful. Okay, we did the butter, we did the onion and garlic. Actually, we didn't do onion. So I have this minced onion I'm just gonna pop in. Pop in a little bit of that. And we are cooking that around for 1 minute. I'm just gonna stir that around in there with my little tongs. The lemon juice is supposed to like deglaze the pan. Okay, so you can see right down in there, I got everything cooking around, the butter. Maybe I should pull this out more. I wish you didn't see the... There we go. Look at this, Josh. All right. Now my stuff is starting to burn. I gotta move fast. Okay. Okay, so stop. We're going to we're gonna put that back on saute. We're gonna put the chicken back inside the pot.
Smells.
All the pieces. Okay. And then it says to put the lid back on. Lock the lid and turn the valve to sealing. Okay. Bring that back on. Turn the valve off. Okay, so I have my valve stem turned to not releasing, and I have made sure that it's locked. I have it set to poultry. It is set to 7 minutes, and we are going to let that cook, and we will be right back. All right, so now I got to release my pressure. For releasing the pressure, don't be scared. Okay, so now I can go ahead and safely open. Ooh. Okay. So now we're gonna take the chicken out again and we're gonna put it into our tray here. And I had put a little bit of, oops, of the chicken broth in. Oh, it's so tender already. Oh my gosh, it's just falling apart. This is gonna be delicious. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Are we turning this on? I'm putting on the saute mode again. I'm gonna put in our 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. This is gonna saute. I don't have a zester. Do I? Get out of here. I do not have a zester, but I have this attachment to my grater, which I think will work just fine to kind of, yeah, get some of that. Get some of that zest, baby. I wish I had a zester. Oh, a lemon seed fell in. I'm going to cut up my other lemon and I'm going to put that in the sauce to hang out. So I just put my lemons in and I'm just gonna let them kind of hang out in this sauce that I'm making. And then I'm gonna put some of my celery, or my asparagus. I'm gonna cook my asparagus in this. This is too big. Oh no. I don't know where my steamer attachment went for this. I'm kind of disappointed. Push these asparagus down in here. Get in, asparagus. The water is fine. Me and the asparagus are fighting. I'm going to change. Now that the soupy part is made, I'm going to put this to steam. Alright guys, and here's the finished product. These are so tender, they're just falling apart. The lemon, well, it kind of got pressure cooked. The asparagus is nice and soft, and it soaked up all these beautiful juices. This looks fantastic. Look at this. Look at just how soft this chicken is. My mouth is watering. I am going to eat, and if you guys try this, let me know down in the comments below how it turned out, if you did anything differently. You can do this in the skillet too. So let me know. Alright guys, make good decisions.